Hello, it's Mr. Diamond here,
Brian Visit.
I can't.
and we'll be going through our main menus and changes we made on menus. So I'm gonna hand over to Anal for intro.
So the game itself is a building construction simulation. We have strategy-based game elements. Player uses resources to construct various different buildings, and the audience for anyone interested in this sort of game genre. So the game background itself, player plays as an alien with time travel technology sent for training in air to construct a city in various eras. Because of time travel technology, players are able to construct buildings from different eras, so whether it be from medieval, modern, and futuristic.
Yeah, so I'll start off with the control scheme here. The game can be played with keyboard, mouse, or controller. So if you go into the options section here, we can actually see the controller and keyboard layouts. This is to show the player, what they can do in the game and how they can do. The UI reflects this, as you can see, by just kind of offering a concise way of viewing all the controls, and as you can see, everything's color coded in here to different types of movement. So, for example, mouse controls are highlighted in green, whereas movement controls are highlighted in blue, and hand controls are highlighted in red and yellow. So I'll now hand you over to Masood to discuss menu screens.
So it's Masood here, and I'll be talking about the menu screen. So here you have a menu screen. Because of our background story, it's alien and it's building construction. As you can see here, we have spaceship for alien kind of atmosphere and building on top because building construction. On that we have a name of the game, Metro Magic. And in the main menu we have play, options, and exit. If you click play, it will take you to the game and you start playing. Also, every time you hover over any menu, they will highlight in red. So if we go to exit, it will give you two options, yes or no, do you want to exit the game or not. So if you click yes, it will close the game. If you click no, it will bring you back to main menu. So if we go to option menu here, it will bring you to your options. It's where you can check your controllers for your controller settings, your keyboard setting, as Ryan already went through those two, and then audio and back. Then once we go into audio menu, we come across with a volume up, down, and mute. So we just increase, decrease volume, or mute the sound. And if we go to mute and click on mute, it will have a line going through, so it's muted, and you can click it again, unmute. And then we go back, we'll take you back to option menu. If you want to go to main menu, just go back again. And then we just go into the game. As you can just see, our HUD menu up here for the resources. So we have population, we have wood, we have stone, food, and days passed. And on the side we have our HUD for our construction menu. And when you press a escape button, as you run through the controller, so escape for the menu, it will bring back to the menu. And now I will hand over to Relic.
From feedback we get after user testing of our mini paper prototype, we make some changes, like we take out the restore button because people say that in that kind of game we shouldn't have it. Also, in one of the version of our game we have kind of scope view of the game, but some people didn't like it, so we take it out. The menu for the buildings was mainly placed on the bottom, but also after feedback from players, they said they prefer to have it in the center or on the side. So we decide, was more people actually saying that they want it on the side. So that's in the prototype our menu for the buildings have also kind of background, but there was some errors in the code. So we took it out and leave it just in the kind of frame.
Transparent, yeah.
Another thing, the last one I think, is in the options we have the control menu as a separate from which player can check the controller and keyboard settings. But players say that it will be easier if we will have that straight away in the menu options. So that was the main change we've done. I think that's mainly basically everything. So thank you.
Thank you.